Stop. Caution, stop. Is that good enough, Mike? Okay for this one. Get a red bit out. I'm going to the ATM. Good pull test.
The fastener capture plate is color-coded because the fasteners are different sizes. So the bit itself is also color-coded.
A1 is complete. Copy A1. A2 complete. Copy 2. A bueno? Yeah. The tether is caught sort of on the edge of the door, and it's pulling the door in. That's it. A3. Copy 3. 4. And 4. Five. 5. How's that? I think it's better, Drew. Yeah, it's clear. The door's a little closed, but we're going to move the arm just a little bit to get it out of the way. I don't know if you need to move the arm before I come back. No, we're okay. Seven. Copy 7. Did you get 6, man? Yes. Thank you. 8. Copy 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. Hey, Drew, I'm at the ATM. Copy, Wayne. 12. 12. 13. Here's your first column. 13, thanks. 14. 14. Bueno, stow 2 items and retrieve 2 items. Okay, that's been worked. 15. 15. Drew, I think the guide stud caddy, the bayonet faces up. We don't have it written in. Okay, I've got it in my crew notebook if you want to look. Stand by. Sixteen. 16. The ground, I'm sure, could tell you. I can't remember how I got it out of there. Yeah, it's up, Drew. I got it. Don't worry about it. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23.
23.
Twenty-four.
Copy 24.
Twenty-five.
25.
This is the label cutter giving us trouble. The that label's just in the way. 26. Let's see.
Hey, Mass, if it looks like it's going to be too much trouble, do you want to save it till last if you need to come back and wiggle the bit around? So we don't wear out that bit trying to get one that's not
let's
easy
do
to
that.
get.
Let's go back later.
Okay. So we're holding on 26.
27.
27.